Oh, so no over on a blood clot profile, I boss bound to send me blood clot 50 US, aka blood clot 5 grand. Me no want no blood clot 5 grand, cause no 5 grand my blood clot work for. People want to no look on them blood clot screenshot and tell me who win. Them say the person with the most likes win, so no blood clot look and look who have the most likes. Me never get the blood clot screenshot contest at number 3. Yeah, me no get the screenshot contest at number 3 for the cause they make the blood clot, y'all delete the video. Nobody can tell me say I know they make the blood clot, y'all delete the video. Shit, them and the blood clot, y'all a friend, and me have screenshot for blood clot. Prove them a friend for a long blood clot time. I have the screenshot and video when it them a para every blood clot thing. Yeah, a plan thing, cause them no want pay who win. A contest number 3 would have come in second and me would have come first. And a sky blood clot thing. Watch what I go on. You know just look on the screenshot them people. Look on it and tell me who have the most likes. As me see it, them never have it in them blood clot intention for pay nobody. Because when me I go through Jamaica, me to group blood clot comment them under my video, me see a blood clot girl comment and say, me did in the competition too, you know. Yeah, and them text me about me disqualify and I end up have to delete my blood clot video. Me I go show another blood clot screenshot there too. Yeah, I talk about, oh, me never contact you. Me never contact you. Me have the screenshot then when me contact Uno. And I tell me about when me for blood clot wait till when striker come. Uno never tell me that when me did just start. Me have everything. And if me never win, Uno say me never win, right? Uno say me never blood clot win. So why Miser Bling call me? Yeah, me have the record and me I go send it out too. Yeah, me I go send it in another video, yeah. Why Miser Bling call me and tell me say Tuesday she a go blood clot send me money. Yeah, you think me never record it? Well, the people them a go blood clot here. The people them a go blood clot here. Can you say me no win? So why Miser Bling blood clot call me and say Tuesday she a go blood clot send me money? Yeah.
You know yourself, Miser Bling. You understand? You know yourself say me from you see the winner. You understand? This is the winner don't need to contact you. And ask for them prize. You know now myself supposed to automatically know say you know to contact the winner and say, yeah mommy are you win.
Listen, try control the Amnia page. Me don't know about the Amnia page. Me don't even know it's a page. Him just do it and me decide say when you win I go announce just let me know so me can put up my part-time money. You understand?
I hear you.
This is a blast. This is a blast that happen. So that's why me I say when you link them and then
you say you don't know about the competition, but you post up about it and I have the screenshot when you post and they talk about the contestant. Yeah.
They say I did not know the page. I don't know about the strike. Make this year that strike. Put up it and then he told me about
Okay. Okay.
So, what I am saying to you, when you contact the page, then anybody that get a good price, they should have to link me one away and say, what with the payment and so because me never know nothing. The uncle just said, do what you do, and then know when you win when the time comes for money pay, they just let me know something and give my part-time money.
Okay.
Because remember now, strike is strike and Mr. is bitter. We are working together two artists and do a collaboration. So it's not like say, I mean, no one pay money. I mean, money can pay at least, but it's 20,000 that I would do not party a lifetime.
Okay.
So when you ask me, you should have one like what you have one, you should have to link me. And if you link, you say you link strike, and you're not getting a good price, you should have link me. Or even still one away. So
Okay.
they are going to give us your information and Monday we send you money. Tomorrow, Monday we send you money because you said that you don't know what to do. But Monday we send you money. So send me a Tuesday. So Tuesday, send me your information and Tuesday we send you money.
I hear you.
Yeah, people, see it on me dash out every blood clot thing. And before all of this, I walk, I tell people about no blood clot peer contestant. And I know same blood clot friend Whitney, where he will on a plan up to cook up something for no blood clot peer the contestant. And she see one use her blood clot more too much and talk so she not get no blood clot money. And me I go make the people them see the blood clot screenshot. Yeah, I went after me put up the blood clot video on JMG. When now blood clot run come call me, so now give me 20 grand. So what changed? What blood clot happen? What happened? When I come a blood clot, send me 50 US, aka blood clot 5 grand. Me don't want a blood clot 50 US card, never that we second for. When you say the winner go get blood clot 20 grand, and a 20 grand my blood clot want. When I blood clot text JMG about no blood clot pay me. Who do not pay me? Cause me now got blood clot Western, you know, go collect no blood clot $50. Me now blood clot take up my blood clot dirty body, and blood clot got Western, you know, go take up no blood clot 5 grand. Yeah, yes, I'm an idiot. You say pity the blood clot poor man from a forehead. Talk to me. Me no blood clot want it. Yeah, the only blood clot thing me have to say now is pay me my blood clot money. Yeah, come see the Miser she over her page a blood clot celebrate about, yeah, we send her $50. Yeah, and I saw it a go blood clot go me love. Me want my blood clot money. And mind me have a blood clot go to plan B. Now me couldn't know wiser.